Okay, hi, I'm Sandy McTeer in the Deco Art booth. We are super excited to share this new product, Designer Finishes. You can transform things like this metallic statue into something that looks like aged wrought iron. It's absolutely incredible. The sets come with everything you need to do that. So 4 different paints and texture to give you the look of wrought iron, aged patina, just incredible, incredible looks. Inside are all the directions, so it takes all the guesswork out of it for you. Those are the Designer Finishes by Deco Art. Another new product we have at Deco Art is Deco Art Pearls. All the trendy pastel pearl colors you can imagine. It has a nice little sheen finish. There's a built-in sealer, so you don't need to do anything to your piece after you've painted it. How sweet are these little makeup bottles? Nice and pearly. Super cute. Another new product we have out is the Deco Art glass paint. We already have the gloss enamels, but this glass paint is different because it has a satin finish. So it's not going to have that sheen, that high sheen that our gloss enamels have. It's going to minimize the brush strokes. Super fun. You can bake it. It goes in the top rack of the dishwasher when it's done. So you probably already know that Deco Art has one of the best acrylic paints on the market, the Americanas. We also have a line called Traditions. These paints are very opaque, beautiful, nice medium viscosity. Textures that you can get with this paint in the mediums is absolutely incredible. That's the Traditions by Deco Art. So Deco Art has the softest fabric paint on the market. So Soft isn't new, but what we've launched new in this line are the metallics and also the Galaxy glitters. You do not have to do anything after you paint this. You don't have to heat set it. You can throw it right into the washer, right into the dryer. Not going to crack, not going to craze. Absolutely flexible, movable, and beautiful. Also in the So Soft line that we have new are the So Soft Stencils. These are awesome. They're sticky on the back, so you're not going to have that seepage underneath. A lot of cool little designs you could do, little pocket patterns. Again, with the So Soft line, not going to seep underneath. It's going to stay in place. So in So Soft, we also have new glow. So you're going to get a glow in the dark. It's going to go on like regular paint, but when you walk out, you're going to be like at nightlife. It's going to look so cool on your clothing. That's Deco Art So Soft fabric paints. Now, holographic illusions. This stuff is incredible. I'm going to reach back here and grab my favorite piece. Last year we launched Galaxy Glitter. This year it's Holographic Illusions. It's the same size glitter, but the glitter is holographic. So you're going to get that incredible sparkle. Depending on how the light hits it, you're going to see some really cool colors in there. Absolutely gorgeous. One thing that we've also come out with this year is the glitter base coat. You know how sometimes you go to put on glitter and it just moves. This glitter has a texture, this glitter base coat has a texture. So it's going to grab that glitter and it's going to maximize that glitter in the area that you want it. Super cool texture, super cool new product. So we have a lot of different glitters within the Deco Art line. We have Craft Twinkles, we have Galaxy Glitters, we have Glamour Dust, and again, the holographic illusions. So a glitter for absolutely everything you need. Now, this super cool product is Enchanted and Enchanted Shimmer. So the Enchanted looks and is maximized. Think of walking up like on a shiny, shiny car. You're going to get that same look with this paint. Maximized on a dark surface. So we've used our ultra matte black base coat paint. And then the Enchanted right over that to give it a really cool shimmer and shine. And then if you want to bling it up, I'm going to step over here real quick and show you this one. This is the Enchanted Shimmer. It has a little bit of a sparkle, a little bit of a sheen. And that is Deco Art Enchanted and Enchanted Shimmer. We hope you check us out on decoart.com. And if you're using our products, thank you. If not, come over and visit. And if you are, make sure you use the hashtag DecoArtProjects. Thanks.